Hello, my name's Paul Hartley. I'm the project manager for ECO for the construction of the new AD plant. It's now early February 2026 and I'm here just to give you a quick update on what's been happening over the last few months. Last time I saw you was November time. We were working in the feed barn and doing the finishing touches to the anaerobic digester plant. Since then, we did manage to get gas to grid just before Christmas, which was a really big achievement for us. And we have been exporting gas to the grid ever since then. So this plant has been working 24/7 ever since then, producing biomethane from your food waste and exporting it to the grid and coming out of your cooker and boiling, heating your homes. We've also been furiously working on the feed barn, because that's really critical to the works, because in the feed barn is where we take all of your food waste, pulverize it up, mix it with some liquids, and that's what feeds into the digesters in the plant here. The feed barn has been focused on getting all the concrete slabs poured. We're completing the floor slabs next week, a little bit of curing, and then we'll be fitting it out, and we hope to have that all up and running and functional by the end of March.